Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change lanes while driving. I'm going to head on to a main road right now and give you an idea of the steps for properly, safely, and smoothly changing lanes. And I tried to give you the best possible view of my face, my body, my hands, so you could see what I was doing, as well as some of the road beside me. So let's get right to it. The process for changing lanes is actually simple, but you want to make sure that you do it safely. So that's why you really want to be careful and thorough with these steps. So let's go over the process for changing lanes, okay? Basically, you want to decide that you're going to change lanes, and then you want to use a simple process of mirror, signal, blind spot to actually change the lanes. You want to use those before you change the lanes. And that's sort of like your safety check. And then changing lanes smoothly involves a few other steps that I will go over right now. So here we go. We're on the main road right now. Now, I want to change lanes. So what am I going to do? I'm going to decide, number one, that I want to change lanes. Number two, I'm going to check my mirrors right here. So I'm checking my rear view mirror and my right side mirror, because I want to switch lanes to the right. That's why I'm checking my rear view mirror and my right side mirror. I can see that there's an opening, so I'm going to put my right turn signal on. I'm going to check my blind spot to my right, like that, and make sure that it's free and clear of any obstructions, and I'm going to smoothly change lanes, just like that. Very simple. Now, if you'll notice, I just barely turned the steering wheel at all. Okay, very, very simple. Now I'm going to change lanes to the left in just a moment. So I'm going to check my mirrors, my rear view mirror and my left side mirror. I can see that I'm good to go. There's no cars in that lane that are close enough. I'm going to put my left turn signal on, check my left blind spot, and then just slowly and smoothly change lanes, just like that. Now, once you've done your mirror, signal, blind spot check, then you want to make sure that you do it smoothly. So right now, I'm going to change lanes at a very slow speed. You'll see that I have to turn the wheel a little bit more than I've done before, just like that, okay? So if you're changing lanes at a slow speed or in a very short distance, like I did right there, you're going to have to turn the steering wheel a little bit more. If you're changing lanes and you want to change the lane gradually over a longer distance, then all you have to do is just make a little micro adjustment, okay? So once again, the micro adjustment for a smooth lane change is just like this. The wheel just turns like that. I would say it's like probably 5 degrees, if even that, okay? It's a very, very micro adjustment. If you want to do a more aggressive lane change, then obviously you're going to have to turn the steering wheel a bit more than you would if you were doing a gradual lane change. And it's actually a very simple process. I'm going to turn onto a side street now. I'm going to turn around and potentially pull a U-turn over here so that I can show you some more lane changes. So let's go ahead. We're actually going to pull a U-turn right here because there's no traffic, and I can do that. And now that I'm back here, once again, I'm going to change lanes to the left. So I'm going to check my rear view mirror, my left side mirror. I'm going to put my left signal on, check my left blind spot, and smoothly change lanes. Just check that out. Now, what you're looking for is you are looking for the fact that you're not going to obstruct traffic. So you're looking for low enough traffic or cars that are distant enough that you're not going to obstruct traffic. What you don't want to do is switch lanes to the left or the right and cause someone to push their brake. That means that you interfered with their lane of traffic, with their lane of driving, okay? You want to switch lanes and not cause the person behind you in that lane that you're switching to have to press the brake pedal or hammer their brakes or swerve to another lane or anything like that. You basically want to switch lanes without obstructing any other cars in any other way. So once again, I'm going to just turn the air on to defog the windows a little bit right now. But I will switch lanes once or twice more just to give you an idea of how it's done. Once again, I'll switch to the left. Rear view mirror, left side mirror, blind spot, signal, switch lanes to the left. Now, as you saw right there, I turned my steering wheel a little bit more aggressively because I was switching in a short period of time. I'm trying to get into the lane, the left turn lane right now, and there's just a very short distance, so I just wanted to get into it quickly. But for the most part, it's just about practice. The more that you practice, the better that you'll be at switching lanes smoothly and safely. Now, safety is the number one concern. I would rather you switch lanes and it not be smooth, but it's safe, okay? So safety is your primary concern. Doing your mirror signal blind spot check and then switching lanes. Doing the mirror signal blind spot check first is very important. And then once you've understood that it's safe and you've made sure that it is safe to switch lanes, then you can switch lanes and then you can practice doing it smoothly. Now, it also involves maintaining a consistent speed. You want to maintain a consistent speed and just gradually turn the steering wheel and do the lane change over a gradual distance. Unless you need to switch lanes, over a short distance, which is like what I did right there to get into the left turn lane rather quickly, because the left turn lane was very short. And with that being said, I really hope that you've enjoyed this driving video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below as a comment, what are your tips for switching lanes smoothly and safely? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great driving and car videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.